Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. You are welcome back. So this video we are going to go through the post that CS made. The post has to do with the election going on as we speak. We have talked about this election many times here, but there's a need for you to understand the current event, how the election is going, because when it was announced, we are meant to understand that it's going to be in two formats, one online and offline. When you hear offline, it has to do with physical voting. During the self-referendum, the same thing happened. Biafrans came out and Biafran voted in different parts of Nigeria. Physically, in Biafran land, I'm not saying that Nigerians voted, but Biafrans that are away from our land had the opportunity to vote. Okay? Physical voting is the key. In as much as we admire the online voting, physical voting is part of it. There are many things that comes with it, especially in the current situation that our people find themselves. Because that will help you to understand that not only those on social media that are keen into Biafran freedom, that those that reside in our land as well actually are participating and they are 100% in for the freedom. Now, the video clip has surfaced about the current physical voting going on in Biafran land as we speak. But before I play that video, let us go through the post that CS made that actually made us to come here to react on this, because she actually made it clear in her post that the physical voting is on and online voting is on as well. And as they are voting, they are counting, keeping record, very transparent and well registered. So I don't want to waste much of your time. So please do me a favor by making sure you click on like button and share the video so that those who are doubting Thomases may have idea of what is going on. Now, some of them will come out and say, "Oh, you are promoting. I thought you said I am a Biafran." Do you understand it? And when it's not by, it's not. I'm not saying it. By, it's not by accident. So it's God's making. So everything you want to say, you have your mouth anyway. You can say anything you wish to say. But the post that CS made as of time of recording the video 2 hours ago, and we are gonna go through it, like I said, quickly. She said, press release. First ever peaceful physical and online voting for the United States of Biafra USB governorship and deputy governorship ongoing in states of Ikemba, Omambala, Odumegwu, the old Anambra state. Okay, see graphs and video. Now the video is done. Don't worry, we're gonna get there. Early voting starts November 1st to 3rd, and election day is November 4th, 2025. These three states will be on total lockdown on Saturday, November 28th. November 8th, not 28th, sorry. November 8th. Because that November 8th is when Nigerian government are proposing to have their own, get together or selection, if I may say. So, early voting is going to start November 1st to 3rd, and election day is November 4th, 2025. These three states will be on total lockdown on Saturday, November 8th, 2025, to stop Nigerian planned illegal election using their political parties and members that have been declared as a terrorist organization by a Canadian federal court. The Biafran people have spoken, so shall it be. Thanks to the good people of Biafra for legally taking back their nation from a failed country, Nigeria, that reintegrates known, not unknown, known, well-known and well-certified terrorists, and has been declared as the most dangerous nation in the world for Christians to live. And guess who we are? Christians. You see, these are the, element that makes the whole thing go, go to be somehow, if you know what I'm talking about. Because even if you don't agree that you need your freedom, the people of the world have actually, recognized the environment where you are residing now as the most dangerous place for you. So, meaning that even if you don't want to accept, or you don't see the danger that is there for you, then people elsewhere are now, seeing that for you. They are now reminding you, look, you are in a very, very, very dangerous environment. You need to do better. You should do better, something like that. The picture that I just displayed now is for you to understand when you hear that Canadian court declared APC, PDP terrorist organization, or like what he has said here. Let me bring it up again so that you understand. I just want you to mark this line. This line will help you to understand something. Okay, let me mark it for you. This is where she said something. Yeah, here we go. Look at it here. This part. You see this part. Okay, let me highlight it. This part, pay attention again. These 3 states will be on total lockdown on Saturday, November 8th, 2025, to stop Nigerian planned illegal election using their political parties, and members that have been declared as a terrorist organization by Canadian Federal Court. This line that you are seeing you are seeing here is the reason why people need to take very good care. Very, very need to be careful. Need to be very, very careful of that, because it's not just a mere talk. It's not as if somebody is trying to blackmail Nigeria. It is real. The picture here is from Daily Post. Daily Post, they are the one that this is from them, from their newspapers. They even published it that Canadian court, Canadian court declared APC PDP terrorist organization, and this publication was done on August 14, 2025. So you understand, which is this August this year, just a couple of months. Is it last month or last 2 months? That is just it. That is just it. I want to go through the videos like I promised you. So pay attention to see this video, because that is physical voting going on as we speak. Watch.
The voting is still going on. The voting is still going on after accreditation. After accreditation, the voting is still going on. The voting is still going on in Biafran land. So, people are trooping in. People are coming to choose who will represent them. So, look at they are voting. They are voting. So, they are tired of Nigeria and they want to leave the zoo. They want to leave the zoo. Yes, the voting is going on. So, thank you.
This is in Biafran land.
The people just.
This is in Biafran land. And another clip. We have another clip for you before we end.
I want to start from the deputy governor. I want to start counting. So, looking at this, I want to start counting for the deputy governor. I want to start counting for the deputy governor. So the electoral officers, they are doing their work. They are doing their work. So, deputy governor, they want to start. You want to start now. 1,
That's not the mark.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. So now looking at this, we have counted the one for governor, counted the one for deputy, and on Yana governor, the person that's contesting with the governor now, that will be counted. And looking at, we have 5 null votes. Out of the 5, the 2 is from.
All right, this is part of it. Like I told you, we are just want to give you the update on what is going on, so you are not going to lack, or you are not going to be blindfolded or anything. So you can follow everything the way it's going. Okay, as you can see on your screen, Ikemba is, you can see the percentage of people that voted. Then Odumegwu, the same thing, and Omambala. So please, this is to inform you that you need to vote. Ikemba is stopping, to be honest. Omambala people need to step up. And if you have not voted, please, because this voting is not about, it's not about if you're from Ikemba or Odumegwu or Omambala. According to the government, they said that as a Biafran, you can vote, okay, to help them choose the governor for the state. And once you choose, for example, like if I choose now to vote for Omambala, that my vote, I will just choose Omambala. I'm not allowed to vote for governorship, cast another vote for Odumegwu or Ikemba. So it's just that one time, okay? Choose one of the states and cast your vote there. Whether you are from Omambala, Odumegwu, or Ikemba, it doesn't matter. All right? Now, this is the people contesting, in case if you have forgotten. This is the people that are contesting. The Boniface is winning, from what I'm seeing here, 75%. And another person, Azoka, is winning, okay? He's winning. Both of them are Azoka O and Azoka G, to be honest with you. But you get the point. Now, like I said, both of them are Azoka. You understand? Both of them are Azoka, and I cannot tell you who is who. Like, okay, this one is Azoka G. The other one is Azoka M. The other one is Azoka O. But Azoka M, the guy on first cap, he's winning the other guy. Do you understand? Some of the Ikemba, the current serving governor, is winning. Okay, these are how the election is going, and like I said, I think this depends on how the governors and the states carried out their campaign. So people may not pay much attention to some state while they focus on another state and other. So, but it is normal. But I'm using this opportunity to encourage you that are watching this video, in case you have not voted, go and choose a state to vote. And I would like you to put your energy on the state of Omambala. Omambala need to step up more from what I'm seeing here. Okay, I'm just saying based on what I'm seeing here, the percentage of people that have voted and the performance so far. I think Omambala, people need to pay more attention on Omambala and Odumegwu. Ikemba is top class. You understand? So they are doing their activities with that holding back, which is very, very nice to see, right? All right. I just want to bring it to you, not for any other thing, but for you to have idea of what is going on. Tell me what you think about it. If you have anything to add, please. The comment is open, and I can't wait to hear from you. The feedback is always superb. You see the reason why I told you to put more energy on Omambala and Odumegwu. Ikemba, you can see here, and Ikemba. That I'm not saying that Ikemba is settled, everything. No, they still need your support massively. So you need to do that financially. They need you. Yeah, so do what you can, do your do, and God bless you for joining me. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like before you go and subscribe to this channel in case if you're new. God bless you. Bye bye for now. Take care of yourself.